In this tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to use modeling features in Edulastic or Pear Assessment. In this case, we are looking at a model of creating a mountain. What sort of things go into that process? It reads, in the space below, draw a model to show the evidence from the previous questions. When modeling, please also make sure to use words and arrows to explain what is happening. So a few of the tools that we have at our disposal. First of all, probably a good idea to select your color over here in the middle and maybe reduce the size down to 2. You can always go and delete individual things that you have done as needed and recreate that hand drawing tool. Remember to click with one hand, one finger, and then drag with another. Or you might alternately be interested in making shapes. I'm going to make mine a green mountain. Why not? Whoa, that baby's upside down, isn't it? That's okay. I can click and drag it to make it the orientation that I want it to be. I can even click and reduce that size and move it around. I might even be able to move this one around and resize it as well. I can add text. Mount Everest. In this case, arrows might be a little bit trickier to draw. And so it might be easier instead to just simply freehand those to describe what's happening.